Thank you, Lord, guys. Oh my gosh. It's only you, Sir Bill, who made that happen. Oh, see that, guys? Oh my God.
Ganda naman ah.
Yes. Finally, oh my God. Thank you, Lord. Britney Cheryl is alive. Kuya Lester. See that? Hear that, guys? Oh my gosh. I am so very happy. I am so very glad. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Thank you. Thank you. Oh my gosh. Finally. Finally. Oh my God. Britney Cheryl is alive, guys and girls. Thank you, Sir Bill. Oh my gosh. So easy as that. Just a few minutes. He made it. Oh, no. Thank you. After 4 mechanic who took this one to fix, only Sir Bill. Thank you, Sir Bill, for coming. Guys, if you want your car to be fixed, please get in touch with Sir Bill here in our village. See that? Hear that? Oh my gosh, it's smooth. Oh my gosh. I couldn't really believe it. Oh my gosh. Thank you. Britney Cheryl is alive again. Grabe. Finally. Sir Bill, hulog ka ng langit. Oh my gosh. Did you hear that, guys? Simple as that. He is really a mechanic, not a architecture compared to the four people that I contacted for this one. Oh my gosh. Finally, after more than 2 years. Oh my gosh. Britney Cheryl is alive. Thank you, Lord. Bye for now.